Day 31 of trying to reach 10,000 followers by the end of 2026. We're taking blocks of wood such as this and burning incredible images such as this. So this is Highland Trio, where I took 3 pictures of 3 Highland cows and I burn it on a piece of wood, because that is what I do for a living. I take my passion and love for the natural world and I burn it on wood. And it's as simple as that. So if you want to follow my journey of learning how to burn and technique and skill, hit that follow button. Otherwise, keep scrolling. Glad to have met you. It was day 31. I hope to see you tomorrow. Cheers.